Welcome to your first lesson on iOS app development. My name is Virjot. In this course, we are going to cover Swift and iOS app development for absolute beginners. No software background required. We will go over a wide range of topics such as array, variables, constants, structs, classes, etc. Don't worry if these names look unfamiliar to you, because at the end of this series, you'll be a master. We will learn through this course with examples and explanations. That is the way I personally learned. So let's get started. First and foremost, you'll need a Mac, because Xcode, the software we'll be using to write our code, is only available on Mac. Second thing you need is Xcode. Xcode is free and is developed by Apple, so it's available on App Store. You want to download and install it. You have to first open App Store and search Xcode. Then you can download it from here or go on internet and download. It will take quite a lot of time, so be patient. It's quite large, so please ensure a good network connectivity. Go and pause this video while you download Xcode and don't forget to come back. So you've got Xcode installed. Now you're gonna do is to go and open Xcode. You will be greeted by a welcome screen. So in this first lesson, we'll make a really simple app which just displays an image. So a bit of background here. I Am Rich app is the most expensive iPhone app ever sold. It did nothing and showed an image of a red ruby. It was priced at $999 US, so never underestimate the price of a simple app. So let's just click on create a new project on the welcome screen. Choose the default template, then go and we are going to name this app I Am Super Rich, and we need to ensure that our interface is selected as storyboard and our language is Swift. So click enter, save the file wherever you want on your disk, and give it a second. It will open up, and when it opens, click on the I Am Super Rich folder. It will bring the drop down, and then navigate to the main.storyboard. This is the file where you are going to create your UI, user interface, and view controller. This is the file where you are going to create all the code, type all the code to control your user interface. Then you can also go into the launch screen. Launch screen is the screen that is showed just before launching the app, just before your app starts. It is shown for just a split second. Assets, this is the place where you store all the app icons, images, colors, whatever you're gonna use in your project. So we need to get started with our app, we need a Ruby image. So let's open Safari. I've already downloaded an image, so I'm just gonna go to a site named appicon.co. This is the site which will give us the three sizes which is required by Xcode for iOS. So we'll go to app icon, click on the image sets, and from the image set upload your image. Here is mine, and then upload, generate, and it will download and zip file in your downloads folder. So expand the zip file. As we can see, we have got all the three images right here, so we can just drag this folder right into the assets folder in our Xcode project. So just drag it and put it right there, and we've got the three images. And just go back into the main.storyboard, click the add icon, the plus icon in the top right, and search for image view, and we're gonna drag it and put it right in the center. That's good. And we're gonna go into the properties and gonna select the image we have just added. In my case, it's the unknown one, and gonna resize it a bit. So yeah, I now need to recenter it again, and that's good. So we've got it now, so we can just go into view controller. Okay, everything's nice, and just click the play button in the top left, and your simulator will start up. And as you can see, the simulator has started up. It takes a bit of time to start up, so be patient. And you can see, give it a second, there is our Ruby image. That means our app was a success. So but our app needs an app icon, so let's just go to main.storyboard, and something looks off of a Ruby on a white page. So first we are gonna change the background to a black color, and so for this we need to go into view, background, and let's select label color because it's already black. Yeah, label color, where is it? Yeah, there it is, label color, and there you can see the black background. So now we need an app icon. So first let's just close this Safari tab and let's see our simulator. As you can see, there is nothing there, and this looks like blank, no app icon, nothing. So we need an app icon. So for that, let's open Safari and search for Canva. Canva is a website which allows you to make logos and other artistic things, which I don't care that much. I only need an logo for my apps. So actually I've already made the logos, and I can just, if I can just find it, and there it is, the diamond one. We can use that one. And there it is. So let's press the share button, and in the share button download it, and we need the resolution to be 1024 pixels by 1024 pixels, and that's the default, I think. So let's hit download. So let's go back to app icon. As I told, there was a app icon will help us to get all the necessary sizes required by Xcode. So let's go to appicon.co and let's see our image. It looks fantastic, and let's drag it, but that's not gonna work, I think. Yeah, no, that's good. So we need to generate this for both iPhone and iPad. That's a requirement for Xcode. So now we're gonna generate, and it's gonna download a file, expand the zip file and open it, and this parent file is required. So let's just go and there, see, I've mistakenly got two. Just gonna delete the one and just start our, let's just start the simulator, but it's shown an error. Oh, delete the dash one, and let's hope for the best, but it isn't working. Let's click again. Build succeeded. Our build is complete, so it should show itself, and there is our black background and Ruby. Let's just swipe up to go back, but our app icon is still not shown. Maybe it needs a refresh or something. Okay, no, there it is. That's good. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next part of the video. If you have any problem, please leave a comment down below. Thanks once again.